The main goal that people have when they create a last will and testament and a trust is to protect their legacy.
People don't like to think about an estate plan because they have to think about what happens when they pass.
It's important to make sure that you have all your affairs wrapped up because during what's already going to be a very delicate and sensitive time.
My kids are so important to me, and I want to make sure that if something were to happen to me or my husband, that they are taken care of. Having a will and documents set in place, it can make a huge difference as to how your assets are distributed. It will also allow your family members to kind of navigate this challenging territory.
The lawyers that are part of our team adhere very strictly to legal ethics. We want clients to have an experience that's as streamlined and easy as possible. We want to make sure that their healthcare wishes are abided to, that their monetary wishes are abided to.
First step is getting a consultation with us.
By taking advantage of our free consultation, you're going to speak with one of our strategists about your situation.
We'll have you fill out a questionnaire, and then we'll subsequently meet with you after the fact,
where we go over every minute detail that you put into that questionnaire to make sure we draft the right estate plan exactly to your needs.
Many of us have specific ideas as to how we might want to be treated if we end up in a healthcare crisis. We can actually set forth what our wishes are and how we want them to be carried out.
You have everything in writing, and there's really no discrepancy between your wishes and what somebody may have thought you would have wanted.
The entire process can really take maybe about 2 to 3 months.
It's definitely a process, and it's a thorough process that we go through.
We have a digital onboarding system that allows people to answer questions, to upload the documents. It's also mobile friendly. We provide all the documentation for your review digitally.
They do come into the office at the end, and we have the signing ceremony so that everything is put into effect. We have a notary on staff that would notarize the documents in front of our witnesses.
We even have an option to do the signing remote through digital remote notary. You can execute your will from the comfort of your own home. We urge you to contact us for a free consultation.
You'll get an understanding of how things work with the law, so that if you did want to take the next step, you're equipped to do so.
We want them to walk away from the experience with a feeling of security.